Oh, keep quiet. Remain seated. Remain seated. Remain seated.
Roundabout Westjet 2425 is Charlie 4 for Bravo.
Jet 2425 today, right on Delta 4 to Delta, hold short of runway 33 right.
Delta 4, Delta, short 33 right, Westjet TV425.
Roger, company sitting on that gate is supposed to push 10 minutes ago.
Okay, check.
Jet 2425, just to get you out of the way for a few minutes, take runway 33 right and then Victor, short of Bravo.
33 right, Victor, short Bravo, Westjet 2425. And ground Westjet 2425, maybe it's good news, we got a message, gate change to B12.
Ooh, I'll start the lobbying process. Jet 2425, ground 2165, I'll see ya.
Westjet 2425, see ya.
Track 540, push back your discretion, call for John. Alright, 2425, can you make a right turn to line up parallel with the lead line?
Sorry, Sunwing, pushing right into us, I gotta stop Sunwing.
Track 540, stop there, wait for WestJet.
They just hit us.
Track 540, Avon. Pull back on the gate.
They hit us, they're in our wing.
All over the line.
Westjet 2425, Sunwing, hit us, they're in our wing.
Are they pulling back on the gate?
No, their lights, the APU's on fire. We're on fire.
Pulling back. Give you a fire rescue immediately.
Mayday, Westjet 2425, we're evacuated. Ground, Red 5 and Company.
Red 5 and Company, whereabouts are you?
So far all road, responding Bravo 12 for aircraft on fire.
Okay, Red 5, 1 sec.
Ground, this is Red 5, confirmed Delta Alpha, short Alpha Tango.
Delta Alpha, and we're going to do something better than that, but yeah, straight up Alpha for now, Red 5.
Delta Alpha, straight up Alpha for Red 5 and Company.